Hello, everyone. This sound source is an introduction to Voidicta, read by Samantha from Siri on my behalf, as a demonstration. Also, it was recorded in a normal environment using iPhone's voice memo, assuming a typical usage environment. I would like to start by talking about the background of Voidicta. Voidicta is an iPad app derived from the Mac app Interview Scribe. I wanted to call it Interview Scribe for iPad, but the app name is too long for iPad. Therefore I decided to call it Voidicta, which doesn't get many hits in web search. Incidentally, Voidicta comes from voice dictation. 1. What does Voidicta do? Voidicta is an application that you use when you convert recorded audio files into text. It is an application for what is commonly called transcription. 2. What are the features of Voidicta? Voidicta is an application designed to help people who have never done transcription before to do it with little effort. When people talk, they don't talk all the time from the beginning to the end. No matter how fast they talk, there are pauses and breaks in their speech. Voidicta recognizes these pauses, or silences, and subdivides the audio into segments, and then transcribes the text for each segment of audio, and finally puts it all together. The basic idea of texting is to listen to the playback of the subdivided audio, called phrases, and input the text. But as the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The entire text has been converted, before you know it. Apps in the same genre as Voidicta have recently touted their ability to use automatic voice recognition to convert text without any hassle. What about the reality? I think the point of this genre of applications is how to make these corrections and additions more efficient. In Voidicta, this point is addressed by text segmentation. Of course, Voidicta can also perform automatic voice recognition. Voidicta uses the speech framework in iOS to perform automatic speech recognition. It can recognize a single phrase, or phrases after a phrase, continuously in the background. The speech framework is evolving day by day, and in iOS 14, it can recognize many languages in the device. The recognition accuracy is great, but it still depends on the voice quality. This is my honest impression. We hope you will try this demo to see the possibilities of speech recognition. Number 3. How to use Voidicta. The input to Voidicta is an audio file. We will briefly introduce how to feed audio files to Voidicta. Method 1. Place your audio files in iCloud Drive, then launch Voidicta and select the audio file in the first document browser that appears. Then the audio file will be copied and Voidicta document will be created. Method 2. Send audio file from recording app, e.g., voice memo, in your device to Voidicta. Then the audio file will be copied and Voidicta document will be created. For more detailed information, please refer to YouTube. The above is a brief overview. We hope you find it interesting.